In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Notion with Microsoft Outlook using Zapier so you can automate tasks, emails, and calendar events between the two apps. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Zapier account. Click Create, then select Zap to create a new automation. Choose Notion as the trigger app and select the event you want, such as new database item or updated database item. Sign in to your Notion account and grant the required permissions. Next, choose Microsoft Outlook as the action app. Select the action you want, such as create calendar event or send email, then sign in to your Outlook account. Map the information from Notion to the Outlook fields, review the automation settings, and make sure everything is configured correctly. Run the test to confirm the integration works as expected. If the test is successful, click Publish or Turn On to activate the automation. From now on, Zapier will automatically sync the selected information between Notion and Microsoft Outlook based on the workflow you created. That's how to integrate Notion with Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.